Hey y'all, long time no talk. Okay, I told y'all I need to just get some time to get my life together. I have a whole bunch of Barbie stuff that I need to share with y'all. Back to even including the Black Barbie documentary screening that happened in June. I have a video. I posted it on Instagram. It will not post to TikTok. And then when I did get it to post, it blocked the sound. So I'm going to try it again. I don't know. But I have a whole bunch of stuff to share with y'all. Even gifts I got and everything. But one thing I do want to talk about today is the Barbie Stanley collaboration. So, I already got my Barbie Stanley cups. Barbie and Stanley had an event in Houston. Was it last week? Now, the event was not organized the best, but I stayed in line, y'all, for 3 hours outside in the sun because, was it even longer than 3? Because that's how dedicated I am to Barbie. So, I already got 2 of my cups. Today, I'm trying to get the Dynamite collaboration. But, I got my Stanley cups. This is the bag. They had a Stanley and Barbie event in Houston at Neon Boots Saloon. So, it was of course, themed like that. So, it says, Howdy from Legend Saloon. So this is my little bag they gave me. So I got 2 Stanleys. They ran out of Stanleys, y'all. They was letting people buy 6 Stanleys at the beginning. That was just 2. They was wrong for that. But then they changed it to 2. And luckily I was able to get my 2. So I basically got the Barbie Stanley, the iconic Barbie, and then I got the Ken. So I'm about to show them to y'all. I'm happy that I got these. There was no discount. I paid $60 each. But I feel good to know that I got this one because this is the one I really wanted. But I also want the Dynamite one because, of course, I'm a Black Barbie collector. What would I be without, a Dynamite cup? So, let's see what else I got. See what else I got before I show y'all. I got more bags. And honestly, tell me if y'all want this bag. If somebody wants it, I'll do a giveaway and give it away to somebody if y'all think that people really want it. And then we took pictures as well. I'll try to insert the pictures because they got me looking dark, y'all. And then this is me too. I went with my sorority sister and friend Candace. So I'm going to try to insert these pictures. But we took these little photos. So let's take a look at the Stanleys. We're going to open up the this is the Barbie Stanley, the icon version, the iconic one. This is just okay. I'm opening it up. Smells new, hun. And this is the straw. So I got it. Oh my God, it's so cute. Worth it. Was it worth standing in line for 3 hours? Yes. In the hot sun in Houston. Yes. I'm so glad I got my cups now. If I had stood in line and didn't get my cups, now this will be a whole nother kind of video. But I'm glad I got them. And I was calm and cool the whole time because I just knew God wasn't gonna let me be up there and not get my cups. I'm a Barbie collector. What would I be without? How can I get the Barbie collaboration come out and then I not get it? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is the Ken cup. I actually like this one a lot. It's it's almost like a bandana pattern. So cute. I'm practicing for my thumbnail photo. But so the drops are coming out daily basically. So I'm glad I got these 2. The Dynamite comes out today. I'm working on making sure I get that one. Did y'all get y'all's? What do y'all think about them? Let's talk. Let's talk. I think this was an iconic collaboration because people are cult followers of Stanley cups, but also cult followers of Barbie too. So it was a big deal for the event in person. I'm gonna give this one to my mom. Y'all know me. I'm a pink girl. This is the one I really wanted. So I'm putting this back in the box so I can give it to my mom. Because she's gonna want it. Because my mom actually collects Starbucks cups and Stanley cups. So she's gonna want those. But let me know if you got your cups, which ones you're wanting.